Hi everyone, my name is Whitney and I'm one of the publishers here at Mennonite Your Way. Today's video, I'm just going to be talking a little bit about the history of Mennonite Your Way, what it is, and what you can expect when you purchase a directory or use the online platform. So my husband and I, Jeff and Whitney, along with Cameron and Victoria Weaver, purchased and took over the printing and publication of the Mennonite Your Way printed directory in October of 2022. Mennonite Your Way was started back in the 70s as a way for people to open up their homes and allow people to stay with them for a little bit of money. And so currently we have the Hospitality Directory 2022, which is full of over 700 listings throughout the world. And by purchasing it, you can gain access to that. Many people are confused, like what is the difference between the printed directory, the PDF, and the online platform? So I'm going to talk a little bit about that. So the printed directory is this. It is a book that has the contact information of host. It also has maps where you can kind of see where they are relatively located. The printed directory must be purchased in order to gain access to that host information. You can either do that by purchasing a physical copy, or you can order a PDF, which is the exact same thing as this, but you can only view it on your screen, or you can print out pages, things like that. But so those are the two ways that you can buy a printed directory. The locations do correspond to pins on a map that we have on our online platform. And I'll get to that in a little bit. And prices is by donation. So it's recommended for $15 per person per night. The online platform, you can browse for free. You only pay when you book online. There are in-home stays, short-term rentals, and pins of PDF listing or the printed directory listings. So an in-home stay would be like so some people choose to be in the printed directory and online. Some people only choose to be in the printed directory. For example, we have a guest room and we are listed in the printed directory, as well as we also list it on the online platform. So people can message us online. If you are listed only in the printed directory, people cannot message you online. We also allow short-term rentals. So you're going to see a varying price range for that, anywhere from $50 a night to $300 a night for short-term rentals. And you're also going to see pins of these printed directory listings. If a pin has so every pin has a title. If a pin has a town, state on their title, then you have to reference the printed directory. It is just there for convenience if you are trying to plan a trip and these maps aren't doing it in here. You can go online and kind of see where everyone's located. If it has a unique name such as Cozy Cottage on Main, then you can use your online platform to contact your host. Please see another video that we have, which is how the online directory or how the online platform works, for more information.